Hey y'all, hey, this is your girl Red Diamond with Talk is Tea, and in this video here I decided to voice over it because we had so much going on. Anyways, so I went on an adventure with my brother and my nieces, and I had no clue at first this was to surprise her with 2 parakeets that she had worked really hard for. And she worked boot camp hard for it.
Why is it so hot, Georgia?
My brother was like, you gotta get straight A's for 9 months.
Okay,
and then
my
you gotta
cats
clean
only
your
like
room
food
and it's gotta be
that
spotless
has
and I want the walls painted and
flavoring in it,
stuff
like
like
salmon.
that. And so we went to this place called Camp Creek Marketplace, and we played it off like we were going into Staples, which my brother kept saying Office Depot, but it was Staples. And so you'll see me, the kids are on to something because the PetSmart is legit right next door. I'm like, why didn't we park down the street and walk over here or something? But
tuna?
Whatever, that's not here nor
I
there.
love me some good tuna.
So they're following me around PetSmart while I'm looking for I'm not PetSmart, following me around.
Legit, getting Kansas tuna.
Where did they follow me around, Trinity?
I'm just talking.
Staples to try to get the skinny on what was going on because they saw me recording or whatever, and I'm like, they're not gonna trap me. I'm gonna make this seem all educational, and they'll run from that. So then you'll see where we finally go into the pet store at PetSmart, and we have this all planned out. And we get into the PetSmart, and it has a huge sign that says no birds or small animals. And we're like, what the heck? No birds or small animals. And she's like, yeah, since the Ron hit, we pretty much out of that kind of stuff or whatever. So mission blow. Nobody expected that. Nobody in history expected to go to PetSmart and see that y'all are out of small birds. Maybe puppies and stuff like that, but small birds. Anywho, so we get into the car and we make a few phone calls, and we find out that there is a pet store that's open. So we decide to drive out there and go see the parakeets. Well, it was a little store. It was a little store in Austell, Georgia called My Pet Shop or something. And excuse me, y'all, I'm pouring some water. And we went there, and they had parakeets galore. And y'all also see some really awesome turtles and stuff like that too. They had an Indian sand turtle that only
I don't know why we're
had strawberries and stuff. Only ate strawberries. But it was a little shop in Austell. I think it's called the Animal Pet Store. You guys should look them up. They had amazing prices. They had amazing animal selection.
It's dumb humid, but
and low key we won because the pets at doggone PetSmart, the birds would have been $25 each. Here at this pet store, they were only $19, and I was like, winning. So of course my niece was super hyped. She already has had a cage and everything set up for them. You'll see the videos are kind of out of order because I just uploaded them and I wanted to share the adventure. So it's a lot going on. And then you see my camera bumping around a lot. That's me trying to hide from these fools. But they was on me like white on rice, honey. I could not get away from them. But see, they knew. And see, Auntie been working on her secret keeping. That's why I was like, stay away from me. Stay away from me so that way I can get this plot done and talk to my viewers and stuff, but I couldn't because old niece was right there with them eagle ears. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope everyone's life is going great, and I hope that you remember to support one another.
All the different
and
school supplies.
Just look after one another. We're here to watch each other's videos, enjoy this entertainment during this downtime. So get lost in a totally random moment. I know it's rando. I know it has no order, but this is my channel, and who cares? So just enjoy it, and enjoy the little shark wallet you get to see. And maybe you saw the parakeets early, but she ended up naming them Berlin and Paris.
I'll be back
And so
Part 2 of my school supply.
I wish I
adventure.
would have recorded how he caught the parakeets and put them in the box, but
And we're
you
going to
even
go-
get to see
finally know. They
this
had to
one
drive
like
really far to
dancing
find a different
parakeet.
one.
Like
So
he
let's
like to
see.
dance with you. I'm like, okay, I like him because he be in here jamming to some Michael Jackson, getting his life for the foolish. You hear me? There you go. There you go. Bob and weed. Bob with it. Bob with it. Okay. See, he ain't no Atlanta parakeet because he would have been hitting it. But I even showed you the place where they board the birds when people are out of town and everything. So I hope you enjoyed our adventure. And until next time or the next surprise, honey, you know, the only thing between what you know and don't know is what you allow yourself to learn. Y'all be
He
blessed.
hasn't had his
Holla.
shed yet. Which means if they did shed, then that means their foreheads would be white. So that means he's like a baby.
Y'all are dancing? Yeah. She likes to dance. You dancing? Hey.
I'm gonna go look at some other birds over here.
Oh, hold on. Let me go. Come on.
There's a bunch of bird toys that I might actually get because parakeets lose their attention to stuff very quickly.
Come on. We'll come back and bob with him in a minute. Oh, look. What's this? This is a sleepy hut?
To what? Oh yeah. You like put these inside of like your home or your bird's cage and then they'll like hang out in there. Like sort of like a hide. Birds love millet. That's like what people use to train their bird. That's the toy. That's the good.
Come on, girl. Come on. I am beautiful. I know. That's what the story is. Go that way. Go that way. That way. Do you get a little food? Oh, look at you. You're already a healthy young lady. Look at that. I like this guy. I'm gonna
Josh, I think he's going.
There you go. Thanks, sir. Get in there, girl. Get in there, baby. Come on.
How does she know where to go?
You said he ain't have it. What is it? A desert tortoise?
That is a desert tortoise. They come from Africa. The name of these guys is sulcatas. And they can technically get
She don't want to go.
2 and 3 times that size, except
Really?
that she doesn't have no place to hang around.
They like strawberries.
Oh, she loves it, yeah.